In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your background check status in the Checker candidate portal. First, open the Checker candidate portal in your web browser. This is the page designed specifically for candidates to view the progress of their background checks in a secure, centralized place. Make sure you're on the official site and using a trusted connection, especially if you're on a public network, to protect your personal information. Next, sign in securely using the details the portal requests. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity. Enter your information carefully, double-check for typos, and only provide it directly within the portal's secure fields. If you're on a shared device, consider using a private browsing window, and remember to sign out when you're finished. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you can review the status of your background check. The portal typically displays clear status indicators, such as in progress or complete, and may show if any action is needed from you. If you see a request for additional information or documentation, follow the guidance provided directly in the portal. If everything looks good, but it's still processing, that's normal. Background checks include multiple verifications, and each one can take a little time depending on local record sources. If you prefer to keep tabs on updates without checking the portal repeatedly, you may also see status notifications in the Dasher app or through an email link from Checker. Keep an eye on your inbox and be sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case. When using email links, verify that messages come from official sources before clicking, and avoid sharing any sensitive information over email replies. A helpful timing note, most background checks complete in 3 to 7 business days. Weekends and holidays don't count toward that window, and certain county searches can take longer depending on courthouse processes. If your report is still pending after a week, it usually means a specific search is still underway. You can refresh the portal or check back later for the latest status. If you encounter technical issues signing in or notice an error on your report, use the help options within the portal to contact support securely. That's it. Open the candidate portal, sign in securely, review your status, and watch for updates in the Dasher app or via the official email link. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you track your background check with confidence.